to you, child. Thank you for returning it to the Alderman, its rightful keepers. Now
Is it bad? Because it sounds kind of bad.
Charles, what are you doing?
Protect your holes! Oh, right down the gooch.